Okay, here's a short video on our Whirlpool refrigerator running at 55 degrees today. It's been several days waiting for service, and the freezer has got quite a meltdown, but still running a cold temperature, but it's not defrosting. That's frost on the back wall. You can see the cabinet of the box is not quite square, and you can see where the last repairman punched a hole, taking these rods out incorrectly. The rods, he was using a needle nose to get the hold of that rod and open it up, because you had to have those out to get the back panel off. This is the fourth time this condition has presented itself in 3 months. It's getting quite exhausting to deal with 30-minute on wait hold calls for Whirlpool to respond, and they're coming out this morning to look at it because they couldn't accept the photographs that I sent them, and this unit should be replaced, not repaired, for a fourth time. And that remains to be seen right now. As I say, they're on their way for another half day of my life being consumed, because they'll only give you a morning or afternoon appointment. And the last conversation with Whirlpool was, you can have someone out in 5 days to look at this and then declare it unrepairable for the fourth time. But after a little bit of negotiating, they decided they could free someone up today. And as I say, I spoke to them yesterday, so that was a good sign of their flexibility to come out sooner than leave me with another episode of losing product, and we whittle out things as they dry up and die off. And another point of interest is the cabinet itself. On the refrigerator side, you can see it's got quite a bubble there. The liner, hadn't noticed it until I started transferring product after a while, and discovering that the product on one side of the box doesn't fit on the other side because of that bubble. At any rate, I'm hoping this will help encourage them to move quicker on the replacement refrigerator, because this has just gone beyond reality. I'm going to publish this and have them take a look, and so the posting may not last long, or it may be there indefinitely if they stonewall this whole episode. Enjoy your day. I'm still taking stuff out of this refrigerator and going to the grocery store to buy more stuff. See ya.